Hi friends, every tip I'm about to give has been verified by the mechanics at the shop where I am, so take a deep breath. This can be fixed. If your Hyundai suddenly starts sounding the alarm without anyone touching it, your first thought is probably, what? Someone's stealing my car. But relax. In most cases, the alarm is just being a little fussy, not that a thief is actually in action. According to mechanics, it's almost always confused sensors or signals the car misinterprets. The most common culprit everyone mentions is the hood switch. Yes, that small switch that tells the car the hood is closed can be misaligned, dirty, or rusty. If the car thinks the hood is open, boom, the alarm goes off. Many mechanics at the shop solve the problem just by adjusting or cleaning the switch, and the alarm stopped. Another classic suspect is the doors or trunk. If the latches aren't closing properly or the internal switches fail, the system thinks someone is trying to get in and triggers the alarm. Some owners reported that lubricating and aligning the latches solved the problem immediately. Small details, big annoyances. Watch out for the batteries too, both in the car and the remote. Several mechanics noticed that when the key fob battery is low, the alarm can activate on its own. Replacing it with a good quality battery, like a CR23-2, usually brings everything back to normal. Even a weak car battery can confuse the system and cause unexpected sounds. Now, if after checking the hood, doors, and batteries the alarm is still acting up, it could be that the shock or interior motion sensors are too sensitive. Some explain that even wind vibrations or traffic can trigger them. Many shops can adjust the sensitivity or temporarily disable these sensors if they're too bothersome. And if all else fails, a trick that sometimes works is disconnecting the car battery for a few minutes to reset the anti-theft system. This resets the modules, and often the Hyundai stops going off for no reason. It also helps to use the key fob correctly to lock and unlock the car, because if the system arms incorrectly, it can start acting up.